Hello, and welcome to the Digital Service Plug YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into how to fully build e-commerce stores with AI. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an experienced seller looking to streamline your process, AI technology can help you set up a fully functional e-commerce store in just minutes, so let's get started. To get your e-commerce store set up in just a few minutes, you need to go to www.digitalserviceplug.com and click on Free Trial 5-Minute Fully Built E-commerce Store. Once there, click on the orange button that says Start Your Free Trial Now. The first prompt that appears will be Enter your email, so go ahead and enter your email address and then click on Continue and follow each prompt from there to get your fully e-commerce store set up for your business. A question that many will have is, why do I even need an AI-generated e-commerce store? So, there are a few different reasons, but to keep it short, it's fast and created in just a few minutes, and you don't have to spend days or weeks doing the work. Also, it's easy to use, you can customize it, and it's efficient, which are all things to make your life easier. Thank goodness for AI, but I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram at Digital Service Plug. If you have questions, you can send me an email at digitalserviceplug@gmail.com. I will see you soon with another topic from me, the Digital Service Plug.